In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer on Wix in 2025. If you've ever found yourself wanting to enhance your website with a professional-looking footer, you've come to the right place. A footer can serve various purposes, including offering site visitors easy navigation, providing contact information, or linking to your social media profiles. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to access your Wix website editor. This is where we'll be doing all the magic. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and log into your Wix account and select the website you want to edit. Once you're on the editor page and you see your website laid out in front of you, the first thing you want to do is look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Home button. Clicking on it will give you access to your various site pages and options. Now, as you're navigating the site interface, you'll notice 3 dots towards the top of this panel. These dots usually indicate additional options, so go ahead and click on them. This will open up a small menu where one of the choices will be Settings. We need to go into the settings to modify the layout of your page, among other configurations. Clicking on Settings will take you further into your site's structural options. Next, within the Settings options, look for Layout. The Layout section is where you will be able to toggle through different page configurations and options, including adding a footer. Click on the Layout link and you'll see a few different layout choices designed to suit various website styles and functions. Once inside the layout options, you'll see one labeled as Standard. Click on Standard as it's most commonly used for creating simple yet effective footer sections. By choosing a standard layout, you're setting a foundation onto which you can customize and build your footer with different elements, such as text boxes for contact information, icons linking to social media, or even a mailing list sign-up form. While selecting your layout, remember that the footer of your website is often the last thing your visitors will see, so it's essential to make it both functional and appealing. Take some time to think about what information is most important for your audience and how you want to enhance their navigation experience. With this setup complete, your footer is now ready to be customized. In the next steps beyond this video, you can start adding the specific content and design touches that will make your footer uniquely yours. And that's how you can add a footer using Wix in 2020. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel more empowered to make changes to your site. Thanks for watching and happy editing.